So how is it possible for a character that literally doesn't exist to make more money in a single month than most people make all year? I mean, really think about that. Well, let's just dive right in. Because the whole AI influencer thing, it's not just some weird trend, it's a full-blown gold rush. And today, we're not just going to talk about it. We're going to give you the exact blueprint to build one yourself and give it a brain.
Okay, just look at this number. $11,000 a month. That's what a top-tier AI influencer is reportedly pulling in. And look, this isn't some pie-in-the-sky prediction for the future. This is real money being made right now by people who've totally cracked the code.
And this quote just nails it. You've got these influencers working with huge brands like Prada, but here's the catch. They're not real. They literally don't exist. They were built from scratch right on a laptop. So you gotta understand, this isn't just about making cool art. It's about creating a scalable 24/7 digital asset that's always working for you. Okay, so if the opportunity is this massive, why do basically everyone, like 99% of people who tries this, just give up? You know the story, right? You get super excited, you make a few cool-looking images, and then bam, you hit a wall. And it's a very specific, super frustrating wall that stops almost everyone. Yeah, this probably looks familiar, doesn't it? On the left, that's the dream. A perfectly consistent character that a brand would actually pay money for. And on the right, well, that's the reality for pretty much everyone starting out. It's the consistency trap. The face changes, the eyes are different. It just looks like a mess. And let me tell you, that look right there, that's what kills any chance you have of making a single dime.
But what if I told you there's a way to fix this? I mean, fix it for good. It's got nothing to do with luck. It's all about building what we call your character's unbreakable DNA. Seriously, this is the one skill you absolutely have to nail down.
So what is this character DNA? Well, think of it like the ultimate master prompt. It's a super detailed description that you use every single time you generate an image. We're talking exact age, ethnicity, eye color, the style of their hair, everything. This is basically the source code for your character. It's the rule book.
And here's the three-step process. It's actually pretty straightforward. First, you write that master prompt, your DNA. Second, you lock it in place using a reference tool. Something like a LoRA or Midjourney's -Cref feature does the trick. And third, you add negative prompts. That's where you tell the AI all the stuff you don't want, to get rid of any weirdness or funky features.
All right, so let's say you do all that. You've mastered consistency. Your character looks amazing every single time. Congratulations. You've just earned your ticket to the game. But here's the thing. Getting the visuals right isn't how you win anymore. It's just the price of admission.
And if you want proof, just look at the data. I mean, the social media algorithms aren't even being subtle about it anymore. They are practically screaming at us to make videos. Short-form video gets 3.5 times more reach than a static image. 3.5. So if you're not making your influencer move, you're pretty much invisible. But even video, that's not the end goal. This next part is the real secret. This is the thing that almost nobody is doing yet. We're talking about the blue ocean. Getting away from the crowded, bloody waters of just posting pictures and moving into the wide-open, untapped potential of actual, real interaction. This is what separates the toys from the real deal.
So think about it this way. On one side, you've got the visual puppet. Yeah, it looks cool, it moves around in videos, but you, the creator, are stuck behind the keyboard, manually typing out replies to every single comment. It's a total time suck, and you can't scale it. But on the other side, that's the future. An autonomous influencer. It has a brain. An AI brain that automatically talks to fans 24/7 without you lifting a finger.
So let's be super clear on what we're talking about here. An autonomous influencer isn't just a pretty face. It's a visual character that's powered by a large language model, an LLM. If you've ever used ChatGPT, you know exactly what this tech is. This is what gives your character a mind, a personality, the power to have real one-on-one conversations with thousands of fans at the same time.
Just imagine the power of that. Your AI is building deep fan relationships while you're literally sleeping. It's automatically replying to every comment perfectly in character. It's sliding into DMs for personalized chats. It's creating a level of connection that one human being could never, ever manage on their own. It's a game changer. All right, so how do you actually jump on this? Look, this isn't science fiction for some far-off future. The gold rush is happening as we speak. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor before everyone else figures it out. $500 billion. That's the projection for the creator economy by 2027. We're talking $500 billion. And AI influencers, they're not just going to be a tiny sliver of that pie. They're going to be a huge chunk of it. Why? Because for brands, they're reliable, they're scalable, and they're perfectly controllable.
So, if you want to get paid, here's your checklist. It's simple. 1. Pick a niche. Don't be generic, be the tech review AI or the sustainable fashion AI. 2. Guarantee that perfect visual consistency. Brands pay top dollar for that. And 3. Go all in on short-form video. That's your highway to getting noticed and getting paid.
Okay, but before you run off and start building, stop. There is one critical warning you have to hear, and I'm serious. Ignoring this could get your accounts deleted and land you in some serious legal hot water.
Look at this number, $51,744. That's not a typo. That's the potential fine per violation from the FTC if you're not playing by the rules.
And what does that mean? It all comes down to one word: disclosure. You have to be upfront that your content is AI generated. You have to clearly label sponsored posts. The same advertising rules that apply to humans apply here. So just be transparent, be ethical. It's that simple, and it'll save you a world of trouble.
So let's bring it all home. Getting the visuals right, that just gets your foot in the door. The real future, the billion-dollar opportunity, is all about interaction. It's about giving your influencer a brain. Because the next wave of influence won't just be about what you see, it'll be about who you can talk to.